What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Speedworks channel. So, sorry I haven't uploaded for a little bit, but today we are going to have a special guest in the garage. He is bringing his car over here. We're going to put an exhaust on it, make it sound real nice. Hopefully here in the upcoming race season, he'll be out there with us racing, maybe one of the index classes or something like that. But he is on his way over here right now to drop his exhaust off. Then he's gonna go grab his car and hopefully we'll get to working on it. So the exhaust was just now dropped off. It's really good quality product here. Solo Performance stainless steel exhaust. It's gonna be dual exhaust, J pipes, no mufflers, pretty much straight piped. It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be ridiculous. Came with everything we need. Only thing it didn't come with was instructions. Came with some good swag here. T-shirt, license plate frame, keychain, stickers. Gonna be all about it today. So again, soloperformance.com. Good quality exhausts here. And hopefully by the end of this video, we'll have a good sound clip of it. There it is. There you go. All the way. Keep coming. All the way. All the way. Right there. So here it is. Bobby's 2008 Pontiac G8 6-liter. Gonna be doing some exhaust work on it today. Should be pretty fun. It's already got a Rotofab intake on it. Really clean car. Well, except for Bobby's soda and tea in here. Damn, dude, have you been doing a lot of burnouts?
No. Every time I did a burnout, it was when I was up here. When I first started, we did all the river greens.
Maybe it's because these tires are like cheap.
Yeah. Why is there? I must have one before me did.
Just quite a bit for the two that you've done. And the alleged donut.
Yeah.
Damn, dude, you're... Huh?
You don't have connections like that. You have all those. There she is. And then I'll bring the truck over to come get all this. Shit. Move that over there. Oh shit! Careful. That bitch is heavy.
Like these? These ones are coming out. Ooh, these are push it.
Push on that.
Okay, we're good. Push. Shit, what?
No, I was just moving those screws out of the way for the cross member.
Cross member. Oh,
I don't know if you want to
yeah,
restart it.
start. Perfect.
We're busy.
It's got to go on this hanger first.
On the other end. Go grab.
finished Bobby's Solo Performance exhaust, 2.5 inch, 3 inch tips. Took a couple hours. We're just taking our time. So fire it up, see what it sounds like. Go ahead, Bob. That sounds good. Give her some sauce. Holy shit. That thing sounds so good. Straight pipe all the way back. J pipe mufflers. Still has the caps, but we'll get high flow caps once we do the headers. Man, this thing's gonna rip. Let's take it for a spin, see what happens. Now that it's outside, give it a little bit, just a little bit. Jesus Christ. Bobby did good on this car. Picked it up out of Albuquerque. They delivered it halfway for him. Thing's only got like 80,000 miles on it. I think it's really nice. Too bad we're gonna ruin it. Give it some. That's it? You floor it?
No, not all the way.
Nah. Scared all your goddamn life. Okay, give it to her. Oh yeah. Give it again. Oh yeah, sounds real good. Oh yeah. Car sounds nasty. All right, guys. So we finished up Bobby's car. Again, we did a Solo Performance, 2.5 inch exhaust. It's pretty much straight pipe. It's got the J pipes on it, X pipe, all that stuff. No mufflers, none of that. So it turned out really good. A lot better than we thought that it was going to come out. Hopefully, some of the sound clips that I did come out okay. But yeah, and all in all, it turned out pretty good. Bobby also has HP tuners set up to put on it. We will be doing that here shortly. I'm not good with stuff like that, so we're probably going to have somebody do that for us. Hopefully, you know, he can get nitrous on that car too. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but by now, but we like to put nitrous on a lot of things. I'm surprised the CRX behind me doesn't have nitrous yet. A lot of people are actually surprised it doesn't. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm glad I could put something together today. We've you know, it's been cold down here. We haven't had a chance to do a lot of stuff, so we'll try to get something going on with the Audi here shortly. We ran into hopefully not a big problem, but a problem with it last week. It's hurt right now.
Hopefully it's nothing serious, but we'll get that taken care of shortly. We're going to do some more tuning on that. Hopefully we'll get it up to PFI on their all-wheel drive dyno, see what it puts down. We're hoping for about 400, 425, something like that. Again, we are doing pre-orders on merch. If you guys want a hat or something, let us know. Email us at cisnerospeedworks6@gmail.com and I'll try to set you up. We will be coming out with stickers shortly. You know me, I love stickers. You know, if you see the walls in my garage, I got a bunch of stickers. Can never go wrong with stickers. I love manufacturing stuff like that. So again, our sponsors, Fast Ink Limited, got their shirt on right now. Rowdy Performance and Machine, Arc Tactical, all that good stuff. Arc Tactical is still selling guns, guys. If you guys, any Second Amendment stuff you guys need, hit up Arc Tactical in Lakewood, find them on Facebook. Fast Ink Limited, you know, all their street apparel, great stuff. They're running low on some of their stuff, it's selling out quick. Hit up their website, Rowdy Performance and Machine. Their machine work that they've been doing lately is insane. You know, if you guys need valve covers machined, you guys need plaques machined, anything like that, you guys need custom work done on your race cars, your diesels, whatever, hit up Rowdy Performance and Machine. So again, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, do all that good stuff, get the word out there, you know, and I'll see you guys later.